Hi everyone, I'm here at, this is the Christmas market in Hamburg. I thought I would wait and see if I could get it when the lights looked a little bit better, but we're not going to really stay here till too late, I don't think. So lots of festive stuff here. There's a place to sit and have your bratwurst and your glühwein, currywurst, eggnog. So yeah, we have been participating in a few of those delicacies. I just had a hot chocolate. Didn't explore into the dome. There's a dome of Christmas trees, I believe, but they're not lit. So it kind of reminds me of just our Christmas markets, except ours seem bigger. But we just bought the most expensive nugget in the entire planet. A bit shocked really how much the nugget was. But lots of scrumptiousness around here, as you can see. And bratwurst, that's where we had our sausage. And then Christmas ornaments. I went into a shop and it was the busiest, most packed Christmas shop. That honestly, it was kind of claustrophobic. You could not move at all. It was crazy. But we've got fluffy handbags and a little tree down there, leather goods, and sweeties everywhere. Sweeties as far as you can see. This is a paradise for people with sweet tooth, like me. We didn't buy any kind of coated nuts this time. Sometimes I can be a little intolerant to them. And we did get some gigantic, absolutely gigantic tea cakes. This is a garlic kind of thingy, as you can hear. But we've got some of those, so we don't really need to stop there. But yeah, kind of quaint little stores everywhere. There's always one that sells wooden stuff, one that does candles and melts and all that, and you get some with jewellery. And this is the most packed Christmas shop ever. It's very claustrophobic inside. No, it's still quite busy. Still rather a lot of people on the inside. But you have a one way to go round and come out the other side. And then there's bars and music. I don't know that music to get copyrighted, but no doubt some crazy person will copyright me for it. Bloomers Gourmet. Boomers, not bloomers. That's something different. We've got a little nativity. Let's calm it all down. How cute is that? So yeah, here we are. Got the manger, the three kings, and the shepherds. How cool is that? In the middle. And the people that it's all about there, little children. Fridays, grill huts. Freitag grill hut. I don't know if it's hutta or hutta even, maybe. This is actually, looks very familiar where we got our stuff from. Very quaint little shops. Pretty is the word. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. And of course we've got, I think, St. Peter's Church there. They have the strangest spires in there. We had a bit of a guide on the way here who was telling us about how we've got the new buildings after all the bombings. But look what I found, guys. Yep, you saw it. That's yarn. I might have some to show you. Just might. But yeah, look. There's a few bits of yarn there. Yeah, I knew I'd find some. Even if it wasn't hobby, whatever it's called. I knew I would find some yarn. This is what we bought. They're like gigantic, huge tea cakes. Look at that. Bit of a weakness of mine they are. Don't mind admitting. So yeah, we did partake. I haven't tried them yet. We got a caramel one. The kind of obligatory one that has coconut on. And then we had, did I say caramel? Can't remember. I think we did. And then we had one, oh, there was a cinnamon one, but we didn't get that, even though it's Gary's thing. Gin and limoncello. Once upon a time, I would have. Oh, heck. Oh, that's dog fight. My territory. Back off. My money's on the little dog, actually. They're usually the ones, aren't they? Straight for the throat. Anyway, there's the pretty building at the end of here. We did get a little bit of, I think it's a town hall actually, and we did get a little bit of a history, but we're going to meet our guide again soon. But yeah, you look at this building, it's quite interesting. If I can get a break in all of the, look at that, isn't that cute? Oh, that's really nice. You see what I mean about the spires? They're all the same here. Very nice, beautiful. So you've got this really old architecture, and then you have the new kind of fangled stuff over the other side. I'm actually here walking without a coat, believe it or not. Gary's in that building right there, that one's motel, having a drink, waiting for our guide to pick us up and take us back again, back to the ship. So we're just hoping that we can get on board with the stuff that we've bought, because obviously I'm not sure that you can take food and drink. Do I spy cake? I do. Wow. Might have to come back out again. I had a crepe, and oh boy, Nutella and banana was just gorgeous. Absolutely. Yeah, I had a bratwurst and I had a Nutella banana crepe. So I'm a bit stuffed, and a hot chocolate. All the bad stuff, all the good stuff, but equally bad stuff. So this here area where you see these people milling around, this is where we have to meet him, somewhere around here. So I'm going to go get Gary, put my coat on. Believe it or not, I'm filming without my coat on. I just thought I'll come out, but isn't it kind of sweet? We do get these kind of markets in the UK, and Winter Wonderland is gigantic. It's like this one times 1,000, and just aisle after aisle after aisle. And yeah, hard to get to though. But I like the archways. There's a few of these, and there's a really beautiful building around the other side through here. I took a photo of it. I will put it on the thumbnail. It's got a windmill. It's very pretty, and you can just see through there the old church. So anyway, I've got to go meet my guide, so I'll say goodbye, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.